Let's learn how to enable sleep mode on Instagram. I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device if you want. So there was a new update. Before this update, this option was called a quiet mode. So basically we are going to enable quiet mode. Without any delay, let us start by opening our Instagram application. Now you will have to go on your profile page. You will do that by tapping on right bottom corner. Now you will have to go to settings. To do this, click on these three horizontal lines in top right corner. Here you will see the section how you use Instagram. Click on this time management option and it will open new tab, time management. Now on this manager time you will see sleep mode. As you can see, it's on off for me. So click here and it will open a new window. To enable it, just click on this button. Now this should turn white. That means you enabled it. Now for start time, this is time you want to start this sleep mode, and time will be when sleep mode ends. And choose days. I will choose only weekend. Once you're done, you can click on save. I won't do that now. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.